Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, you'll learn how to install the AdventureWorks DW sample database. DW stands for Data Warehouse. AdventureWorks is a fictional company that Microsoft uses in its documentation for demonstrations. The link to download the AdventureWorks DW sample database is displayed on the screen. This is the GitHub repository. This is the location where Microsoft stores the sample databases for AdventureWorks. So I'm going to scroll down to the database I want, and we've got different database types. The one I want is the AdventureWorks DW. DW stands for Data Warehouse, and I want the full backup. The AdventureWorks Data Warehouse database I want to download is this one here, AdventureWorks DW 2016.bak. .bak basically means it's a backup file. So I'm going to click on the link to begin the download, and you can see the download has started here on the bottom left hand corner. It should not take too long, so I'll give it a few minutes to complete. The download has completed. I'm going to click to show in folder, and that will take me to the folder where the download file was downloaded to. So I'll click on show in folder, and this is the downloaded file. In order to get this database into our SQL server, we're going to have to restore it from this backup file, but we have to relocate it because SQL Server looks for backup files in a specific location. So I'm going to right click on the file and select cut, and then I'm going to go to my drive to go to the location where Microsoft SQL Server looks for backup. I need to go to my C drive. So I click on the C drive and then go into my program files folder. Within my programs file folder, there should be an SQL Server. So this Microsoft SQL Server folder, I'm going to click on it, and then I will look for my instance of SQL Server. So my instance of SQL Server is called SQL Server 2019. I'm going to click into that folder and then click into this MS SQL folder. Here we have a backup folder. So I'm going to click to go inside this backup folder and then right click and paste in the AdventureWorks DW file I downloaded. So I have now relocated the downloaded file into the backup folder where Microsoft SQL Server will go to look for backup files. I have logged into SQL Server. To install the AdventureWorks DW database, I need to restore it from backup. So I'm going to right click on the databases folder and select restore database. And then within the restore database box here, I need to choose device and then select this button here that has 3 dots, and this will make me choose where the backup file is located. So the default here is file. If I click on the drop down, there's another option called URL, but make sure yours is set to file. So we then click on this add button, and then SQL Server immediately goes to the backup location, and then we'll select the file, which is this one, and it populates the name of the file here. We click on the OK button. We have the full path of the file here. We click on the OK button again, and then here we have the option checked for restore. So make sure that option is checked, and then we click on OK, and that will begin restoring the database. So it's actually restoring it now. When it's done, we should get a message. The message has popped up saying the database adventureworksDW 2016 has been restored successfully. So I'll click on the OK button and that will exit that screen. And if we look here on the list of databases, we've got the adventureworksDW 2016. If I expand the database and then expand to look into the tables, you can see we've got lots of tables available inside that database. So that is it for this video. In this video, I showed you how to install the AdventureWorksDW 2016 sample database. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.